welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll quickly show you a tutorial on how to coil your braiding hair. So before doing this, you have to make sure you know the number of braiding hair you want to use in a particular spiral rod. So don't forget to brush your extension before we begin rolling. So before we roll, we have to make sure the extension on our hands is rolled tightly before we pull it around our spiral rods, just like I'm doing here. So you have to make sure it is tight, because if you just do it like that, it's not going to give you neat coils when you bring it out. So you have to make sure your coils are tight before rolling around the spiral rods. So you could just keep on doing this method till you get to the end of the rods. You get the ends, and then you have to clip it. If you have this, you can use this to hold the ends. If you don't, you can use any extensions, rubber band, braiding hair, roll, or whatsoever you have to hold the hair. So I'll quickly put my hair into hot water. I have to make sure that the water touches every part of the hair with the coils. If not, some coils are going to come out terribly. Also, don't forget to be specific about the number of braiding hair you want to put on these spiral rods, because I used 5 because my braids were tiny and they were really small. So depending on the size of your braiding hair, you have to be specific on the number of braiding hair you put on each coils, and that's that's how the coils is going to be determined. So I will prefer you use 2. Actually, this is just depending on the number of the size of your braiding hair specifically. So at the end of when I had to unravel the coils, this is what it came out like. It came out looking good. Okay, to trim the end of your extension, I used nails and I also used oil sheen to apply on the braiding hair. I also applied it down to the curls parts. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel at this point, you're watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up, click on the share button, and give us a